Welcome to Pigeon Talk One-on-One, topic with conditioning, preparation, and system. Pigeon Talk with Jaime Lim and Aaron Claudio. Pigeon Talk One-on-One, powered by Talomi Probiotics, Bear Sale, Wingmaster, Bona Mix, Royalties, Victory, Gasty Pro, Burlington, Mikusin, Haggis.
So, bumili rin ako ng Etienne Marlan. Tinawagan ko si Etienne. Sabi ko, nanalo yung ibon mo. Kailangan ko rin yan. Sabi ko, kailangan ko rin naman LDHA. So, during his auction, meron siyang tinuro sa akin. Sabi niya, ito, bilhin mo to, naka-LDHA. Double A to. Nabili ko. Binit ko dito. Nanalo rin ako ng 2K. So, that was the start of my belief in those genetic markers.
Yes.
So, ngayon naman, meron akong kinuhanan ng ibon. Ang breeder, ang name niya, si Gerard Schalkwijk from the Netherlands. This guy, very particular naman siya sa mga genetic markers din. Hindi lang LDHA yung kinukuha niya, but a little bit of everything. Meron pa siyang genetic marker na chinecheck yung perseverance ng ibon. Meron siyang genetic marker na chinecheck yung appreciation ng bird sa geographic location. Wow. Meron siyang genetic marker na chinecheck na yung ibon niya mahilig mag-isa lumipad.
Okay.
Mag-isa. Meron siyang genetic marker na chinecheck na yung ibon niya magaling sa day and night.
So, night flyer.
Oo, night flyer. So, ang dami niyang night flyer na
So,
winners.
advance na talaga, no?
Very advanced. Very advanced. Yun, so those things, very advanced. Nung nakita ko, ang dami niyang genetic markers na ganun. Sabi ko, we have to try this shortcut to Parang shortcut
Yes.
Diba? So, yun nga, nag-total sales siya sa pipa. May mga kinuha ako sa kanya. I'm very, very upbeat about those birds. So, feeling ko, with the kind of phenotype also, yung physicals nila na meron, very buoyant, ang ganda ng bone structure, muscles nila very flexible, the feathering is very soft.
How about the eyesight?
Eye-sign, I'm not very particular with eye-sign. I just want to see a rich color, pigmentation ng eye, because the eye is also the window to the health of the bird.
Yes.
No? Kung very bright yung eye ng ibon, that also tells you what's inside. No? So, yun. Ako gusto ko lang any rich-looking eye na very bright, okay na ako dun. So, yun. Maganda yung feathering niya. Yung wing, ang kapal ng wing arm niya. Tapos, yung feather niya, primary feathers, suited really, I think, for the harsh weather condition, tropical weather conditions sa Philippines.
And then, bukod pa sir, di ba, kilala naman kayo as Joston of the Philippines. Doon sa mga Joston nyo na line, sir, alam ko naman sir na marami na rin kayo winners. So, balak mo kuha siyang i-use dun sa mga line na hawak mo.
Yes, actually, I maintain one branch of the Jostone lines. Yun nga, isang importante, pag meron kayong kaibigan, naging kaibigan na fancier from abroad, I think malaking bagay na makatulong din sa inyo yun, sa pagbigay. Like me and Jostone, we have a good, relationship. Every year, papagating ako ng mga lines pa rin niya just to refresh what I have. And alam na niya kung ano yung kailangan natin dito. Kasi pumunta na siya dito sa Pilipinas 2 times. And ang ginawa namin doon, naglibot kami actually. May mga pinuntahan kami mga lofts to see what kind of bird do we need here. Alam mo, naalala ko nung sinabi niya sa akin noon, Kirby, the racing system we have here in Europe is different from the racing system in the Philippines. In Europe, we want fast birds. Birds that will win first place among 10,000, 15,000 birds. But in the Philippines, I can see that you don't have fast birds. But you have strong character birds. Yun ang sabi niya. You don't need fast birds here. So I know now which lines I will send you. So yun, that's why ang pinapadala niya sa akin, yung mga long distance lines na niya. True enough, nagpa-auction tayo ng Joston dito. May mga sinama siya mga fast birds niya. Wala na tayong nabalitaan. But yung mga long distance lines niya, like the Poco, the Golden Grizzle, the Sedna, the Disney, those lines, hanggang ngayon napapakinabangan.
Among those auction during his presence here,
Yes,
yung Golden Grizzles.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Very good.
I believe nakakuha rin kayo, no, Chairman?
Yes.
Ng ano,
It's
ng...
been performing well in my log.
Yes. I think yung nakuha niyo yung direct daughter ni Valentino. Yes. Maganda yun. Very, very, very strong bird sila. Hindi sila matulin. But again, yung sinasabi nila Idol Salty kanina, makukunat, yan yung makukuha mo yung toughness. Yung toughness ng mga long distance lines. Kaya, you know, we can say yung mga long distance lines compared dun sa mga fast birds, yung mga fast birds yun ang kulang nila eh. Yung toughness.
In World Factory, a genetic marker, how do you arrive in getting the result? Through the blood or how do they do it?
Yes, through blood. Through blood.
So,
Yes.
they evaluate and analyze it through the blood
Yes.
laboratory.
Laboratory. Yes.
Ayun ang
Possible,
wala tayo sa
possible can we have that here in our country?
We can check, but you
Not
know,
easy.
I think it's very tricky also because bakit si Jared Shalquike lang so far ang may kumuha nun? Kasi it's either all or nothing. Paano kung nagpa-check ka, walang lumabas sa flock mo? Does that mean zero value yung breeding stock mo? Diba? Kaya hindi lahat ng mga breeder sa Europe gumagawa nun. Diba?
Yeah.
Shortcut kasi. Shortcut din malaman namin wala kang value pag walang zero genetic
Yes.
markers.
But I think the machine, the last machine, laboratory machine to do that's gonna be very expensive.
Very expensive.
Dito lang yung DNA ng gender, we have to rely from Taiwan to gender,
Yes,
the DNA.
yes.
So, you're mas complicated yun, mas difficult.
Yes, and I think for every genetic marker, you would need
Different.
one equipment for that. No? Different equipment.
But it would be nice kung meron tayo dito.
Yes, sana.
Ah.
As you mentioned, Chairman, yung DNA testing natin,
Yeah.
I think kailangan natin, even kami sa horses, sa breeding ng horses, pag dinedetermine namin yung lineage, we have to send those follicle to India.
Here, my parrots, when we had the blood samples, we had to send it to Taiwan. So it take more than a week to get the results.
Yes. Oo.
So, ba't di tayo magkaroon ng...
Oo. I think that would be a breakthrough, no? Kung magawa natin yun. Mas magiging more advanced tayo.
Even pigeons, hindi tayo 100% yung gender,
Yes.
90% yes, but may some of them nagkakamali pa rin tayo.
Oo. Tsaka it's high time na magkaroon tayo nun.
Yeah.
Para, alam mo, lumalaki. The pigeon industry is really booming by leaps and bounds. Ang dami nagkakabentahan left and right, no? Ang dami humihingi ng mga pedigree, no? So, kailangan natin ma-determine din kung totoo ba. Baka naman ginagamit lang yung Zaldi Garcia line, pero hindi pala yun. Iba binibreed,
Di ba? Ang bibigay na ibon, no? Di ba? So, talagang dapat importante talaga yung DNA.
Yes, yes.
Para masiti po talaga na legit yung ibon.
Yes, correct. That's why si Pipa, sila ang pinakamahal. Kasi they have everything in place eh. Diba? Bibili ka ng ibon sa kanila, may DNA certificate. Kompleto eh. Diba?
Yes. oo.
So it gives the buyer that kind of confidence that you need.
Sir, may mga old lines ka pa ba nahawak?
Yes, meron pa. Yung mga Jostonay ko. Actually, isa ko pang mga old line, yung mga Andre Colbrand. Andre Colbrand, he retired na, but He's very close to Roger Florizon.
Okay.
So, marami siyang nakuha mga ibon ni Roger Florizon as well. Yeah, and then meron din siya mga Itendivos na like from the Klein Didi na kinocross niya.
Okay, sir. Sir, paano kayo mag-condition ng mga breeders ninyo?
Breeders namin, okay, very simple. Ngayon, nung na-share ko nga kanina, nung sa sideline, usap ko si Idol Saldi, sabi ko, nung nilipat ko yung mga breeders ko sa Lipa, we are about 1,300 feet above sea level. Taas, high altitude. We're 5 degrees cooler than Metro Manila. Alam mo, gumanda lahat ng breeders ko eh. I guess it's because ang ganda ng hangin, bago yung loft, malinis. Tapos, naging ngayon, nung lumipat ako, very strict ako. Hindi ako masyado nagpapapunta ng tao doon. At the
Yes.
same time, yung pagpasok ko ng ibon, quarantine muna yan. Kasi you don't want your loft to be infected by, different bacteria
Yes.
or strains. Kasi ako, I'm a believer of natural medicine. Malakas ako gumamit ng probiotics.
Nang?
Probiotics.
Ano ba yun?
Probiotics. I use yung Smart Pro ni Fan Feluch. Yun. Kasi I believe ang prevention naman talaga is hindi mo naman pwede bigyan ng antibiotic mag-prevent ka. Once you put antibiotics into their system, it's antibiotics. You're curing them. It's not preventing them. So ang pinaka magandang cure for me is everything starts with the gut.